If a student who leaves the table in order to escape an activity that he doesn't like, if he is allowed to avoid the disliked activity, you will likely find that escape is reinforcing, and he will learn that this is a good way to avoid disliked activities. But if he is returned to the table, you are withholding that reinforcement. The assumption is that withholding the reinforcement of escape will increase the probability of in-seat behavior. This may not be the best intervention, as the child may well escalate the behavior in order to get his message across. I would point out here that there is probably a better way that would involve a point of behavior intervention at the skills to teach level, in that you would teach that child a new way of asking to escape the activity. For example, teaching the student to play a get out of jail free card and then allowing that request to work. I know, we don't want the kid to leave the group, but how about then using a backward chaining strategy? That would involve determining how long the child usually stays in the group and then bringing him into the group that many minutes before the end. He gets the reinforcement of leaving when the rest of the children do. He gets out of the disliked activity after staying for just a few minutes at the end rather than at the beginning. Just to keep things complicated, we might throw in an antecedent of showing the child a visual timer to show how long he will be expected to stay with the group.